Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I am going to show you how to create LLC step by step using LegalZoom in under 8 minutes, and you can literally get it done in under 8 minutes. So if you want to protect your business, look more professional and separate your business assets, forming an LLC is the first step. So let's jump right into it. So what actually is LegalZoom? So if you have not heard of LegalZoom, they are one of the biggest and most trusted online legal service for small business owners. They have helped millions of people from LLC as get EIN and handle all the paperwork without you needing to deal with confusing state from yourself. You can do it all online in just a few clicks. So let's start our LLC application. First, you just need to go to the LegalZoom.com, and then you just need to click over here, start your business, then choose from an LLC. LegalZoom will walk you through a super simple questionnaire. So how you can do it? You just need to click on business information. Once you click over here, then you will find out the options called start my LLC, and here you just need to click over here, and you will get another options where they will ask you some questionnaires. So you will enter your desired LLC name, like what is the name of your business. So I will type my page name, that we are digital over here, then click to the next, and then you just need to choose your state where you want to register. Usually where you live and do business, it's accepted. So I will give it California, then click to the next. Once I click to the next, then a few details about what business does, service and products. It will take some minute, no legal jargon. So here I will select the from my LLC, just select this one, and then provide your address over that place. So this was my address, so I just copy my mail address from the mailbox, just copy this one, and here I will paste it in and just click to the next. And here we are digital, do what we really do. So we make content. Let's see, does it has, yes, content creator, and then click to the next. And here you will, let's keep your LLC complement to avoid its setbacks. So here, compiling filings, most business must file annual reports and other ongoing reports with the government. And then essential documents like legal entities often require operating agreements for taxes and banking for formal contracts. Just click to the next, and then here they will ask you to select the plan. So if you click the select plan, here you will find operating agreement. It is the extra, so it is not necessary. You just need to click to the no thanks, and then click to the no thanks again, then select your standard processing and founders kit, click no thanks, just click to the next, and this is the simple process. And here review your order below. So this will be your order. Here you can see California is statement of information fee is $20 and California filing fee is $70 and total is $19. So once you check out, then you just need to pick your LLC package. Like LegalZoom will show you few package option. I already mentioned that will be basic. This covers your estate filing and articles of organization. Then second one is pro or premium. This add extras like an operating agreement in or faster filing. If you want to keep it simple, the basic plan works fine, but a lot of people choose a plan that includes an in, so you don't have to get it separately from IRS. LegalZoom also lets you choose register agent service if you don't want your personal address on public record. That's optional but useful for the privacy. So here you just need to click on this continue to checkout, and then it will goes to the review and checkout place. So once you pick your plan, just review your order summary. It shows your estate fee, LegalZoom's fees, and any add-ons you picked. Fill out your payment details, hit submit, and you are done. LegalZoom will handle the paperwork, file your estate fee, and send your approved LLC documents as soon as they're ready. So after completing all this process, what will be happen? So after your LLC approved, make sure you open a business account and save your EIN and LLC documents and mark your calendar. So that's it. You just learn how to create an LLC in under 8 minutes with LegalZoom. If you want to check it out, I will drop my Zoom link in the description, plus any current discounts if they available.